speaker we've had in the last 2 days. And also, I believe you're not just looks, you're not just brawn, you're brawn and brain. So let's start. Chandigarh girl moved to Bombay at the age of 20. No father figure, no relatives in the industry. What made you decide to jump into something that could have gone anyway and try the big bad world of Bollywood?
Thank you, first of all, for having me here. And, that's another little notion. Of course, when you compare it to war and politics and any other place, this seems like, a very breath of fresh air kind of profession. But trust me, it's not. It's not what you see.
I agree with you, and I think most of the audience knows that. You guys work harder than anybody else.
No, it's not about working harder. It's also about what goes in. You
Sure.
know, what we see could be entirely different from what goes in, a workplace and the industry and the kind of place it is. And I'm saying it in the most, with utmost grace and to the very profession that has given me everything. It's a hard place. It's not something where it's very easy to survive, and we'll talk more about it. But to just briefly tell you, Sonali, for me, it was, I was pursuing honors in law. I had a totally different ambition in life. And when I went for the first time to the head of the department in Punjab University, where I was studying, and he looked at me, he said, no, I can't let you go. You're such a good student. You're one of my top rankers. He said in Punjabi, "Tusi kyun jana chahte ho? Matlab, tusi to kitne change ho padhai ch." So again, he was being very nice to me, but what he meant to say was that had you not been good in studies, I would have happily given you, your TC, and you would have made something out of your career. But let me tell you, I think all the people who have made it at whatever different levels in this place are some of the smartest people that
Sure.
I've come across. So it takes a lot to be here. And for me, it was, although I didn't grow up thinking or comfortable with the idea of being center of attention at all. I could stay quiet for hours and you wouldn't know I'm sitting next to you. Very reserved, extremely shy. The only time I mustered courage to be at a podium was for a Hindi recitation competition, and that also I looked at the judges and I just ran away. I was so nervous and I was so conscious. But I think deep within, I loved performing. I loved acting. Or I think once I took part in this theater competition and we won. And which was quite a surprise for everyone. So when I got this opportunity, I thought, okay, I just want to audition. Let me see what happens. And I got it. And I said, okay, now I think this is what I want to do.
That's still very bold, because you did take the big step to come to Bombay, and you had no father figure or mother